Hello, what's up mga choy mga channel? Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So, pasensya na kayo kung ngayon lang ako nag-upload ng aking video kasi palagi akong nasa laot sa pangingisda. So, ang video ko ngayon ay pakita sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng tulad sa likod ko. Di ko alam kung ano yung pangalan ko dyan. Nagamit pa rin ang PStouch na apps at ang mobile po natin. So, kung bago ka sa aking channel, mag-subscribe ka muna at kalabitin ang notification bell para palagi tayong updated sa mga videong i-upload ko. So, shoutout muna pala kay Junel Bakiran. Shoutout sa iyo. So, wag nating patagalin pa at umpisahan na natin ang ating tutorial. Let's go!
Open PStouch app. Click New Project and select Blank Document. Change size, width to 1280, and height to 720, and click OK. Click Add Layer and click plus sign to import image background. Click plus sign and import white text. Click Effect and go to Basic and select Bevel. Adjust Blur to 20, Distance to 20, and Angle to 180 degrees. And click Check to Done. Select FX Effect and click Bevel and change Angle to 45 degrees. And click Check to Done. Select FX Effect and click Bevel and change Angle to 135 degrees. And click Check to Done. Click Adjustment and select Curve. And adjust the curve like this. Click Check to Done. Click Add Layer and select plus sign to duplicate the text. Go to Adjustments and go to Color Balance. And adjust the color combination percent to red, 65%, green, 34%, blue, -75%. And click OK. Make first layer visible and select second layer to change the color and go to Adjustment and click Color Balance. And change the color combination percent to red, 0%, green, 70%, blue 100%. And select first layer to make undecibel. Go to Tools and select McQueen tool. Pull to right and make a rectangle shape like this. Go to Tools and select Clear. Go to Tools and select Clear. Go to Tools and click Deselect. Go to plus sign and add empty layer. And select second layer and go to Tools and click Select Pixel. And select empty and go to sign and click fill and stroke, change type to stroke and change the width to 7. Go to modify tools and click deselect. Go to FX effect and click bevel and adjust the blur to 10, distance to 10, and angle to 180, and click OK. Select FX effect and click bevel and change angle to 45 degrees, and click check to done. Go to adjustment and select curve and adjust the curve like this. And go to effect and click photo and select sunny afternoon and adjust the intensity to 50%. And go to old sepia, change intensity to 50%. Click done and save. Thanks for watching my tutorial and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless all.